Hi, good morning. This is Lulu Parawan. Guys, I'll show you. This is the 3 bedroom, 3 combined unit. Alright, that will be the living area. And this is the kitchen, sink, cooktop. Alright. Okay, this is the dining area and the couch. Okay, the television is there. Okay, and this is the bedroom. I'll show you the bedroom, guys. Okay, this is the bedroom and the TV, and I'll show you the toilet. Okay, this is the comfort room, bathtub. Look at this one. Okay, this is the glass. Okay, the bathtub and the towels. So it's so beautiful, right? And I'll show you the other room. This is 3 bedroom. So gorgeous, right? And this is another bedroom for the Victoria. Okay, another bedroom. And this is the toilet bath. So yung isa pwede mo palagyan ng bathtub. Ayun yung parang pinaka-master bedroom. Okay, and this is another room again for your kids with a split type. You can copy this, guys. When you become investors. This is the Victoria Sports Tower Station 2. Beautiful, right? Thank you. Okay. Try to invest. No, when you invest, you will be getting all this kind of interior design. And look at the flooring. Thank you.